Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change font in Windows 11. So let's get started. First of all, you're gonna head over to the Windows settings, and here at the left side, you'll be able to see a couple of options. So you're gonna click on personalization. Here, you're gonna scroll down, and here at the second last, you'll be able to see fonts. Click on fonts and you'll be able to see all the available fonts, so you can select any font you want from here. But if you don't like from all of these available fonts, then you can click on get more fonts in Microsoft Store, and you'll be redirected to Microsoft Store, where you'll be able to see numerous fonts and you can simply download them. These are completely free, that comes with Microsoft, so you can download them, and as soon as you download them, you'll be able to see them here in the available font section, and you can select that. But if you want to add a font that is not in Microsoft Store and you just have downloaded that from the internet or someone has sent you, then you can browse that specific font from your PC, or you can also drag and drop that over here and you'll be able to see that in the available fonts after that. So those were some of the ways how you can change font in Windows. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.